In the last 4 decades, technology took over our lives and businesses. The idea was to fasten the processes with automation while reducing the gross errors. Automation started entering the soul of the corporates, educational institutes, hospitals, industrial hubs, you name it. From services being rolled out to their maintenances, manufacturing of products, till the products were retired or discharged. The transition was so fast between 1985 and 2015 that not all organizations were able to transit in time, resulting in huge void. So the need for an integrated infra management solution was felt. Our research started a decade back, and we came around with a few customized solutions for these businesses. These conditional thresholds need to be managed by a matured, integrated management suite of tools. Various service verticals, schools, hospitals, industries, corporate offices, and malls badly needed such tools. Indian-born solution for the country and the world.